Hi everyone, Lorraine here, and today I'm going to be reviewing a product called Money Magnets. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall Online, and my website, which you can find a link in the description below this video, which is makemoneyonline-niches.com. So right, let's have a look at Money Magnets. This product is launching 1st of August, which Sunday at 9 AM EST. It's put together by a new marketer by the name of Nella Fernandez, and basically it's a training program. It's an affiliate training course which takes you from traffic generation, lead capture, to generating an income in easy steps. It's all broken down into easy steps, but if you stick around to the end of the video, I will be showing you the demo area, the members dashboard. Now, so first of all, what I'll do is take you over to the bonus page and then the sales page. And like I say, we'll have a look at the members areas. Now, if you like these videos that I'm creating here, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. So here we are inside of my sales page, and for Money Magnets, basically it's a new training course, like I said, from Nella Fernandez. It's a complete money-making system. It uses 100% free traffic methods, and it shows you how you can get started with affiliate marketing and to generate an income quickly. The front end of this product is $17. The one-time upsell, $67. The second upsell is $37. And the license rights, $197. And coaching, if you want to take it even further, $197. So there you have the funnel for Money Magnets. Now we'll have a look at my bonuses. So to get to the sales page, you can click on any of these red buttons on my bonus page, and you'll find the bonus page in the link below this video. So my first bonus is the access to the Backlink Warrior. Now this is only available for the first 24 hours. It's from John O. Armstrong, who is my mentor on this program. And so you need to get in early in order to get access to this product. My second bonus is learning how to convert, getting better conversions. And my third bonus is how to explode your YouTube channel. Everybody needs to look at this one. The fourth one is the Boomerang Buddy Pro, which is another hack and a training program. You would also receive all of the vendor bonuses when you purchase the product through my link, and you would receive a receipt, something like this from Warrior Plus. There's a little blue button at the bottom of this receipt, and that is where you would be able to get access to all of the bonuses I've just talked about. Okay, so now let's quickly go over and have a look at the sales page for Money Magnets. Now, like I said, this is a new marketer who is also a student of Ministry of Freedom. Money Magnets, so basically it's quick and easy, simple steps. Pick your niche, add in your money links, activate your traffic streams, and see results. Let's see, there is some testimonials on the sales page which you can have a look at, take a look at your leisure when you click through my link in the description below the video. And the claims are that this can be done by anyone who's new to marketing. Stay-at-home moms and dads who don't have jobs and don't go out to work, you can actually make a start part-time. You could do this if you're a full-time employee, you could do it if you're retired, for people who are just looking to do something on the side. So, you know, take a look at the product and get in early, because obviously this is at a super low price just for the launch period, which starts 1st of August, 9 AM EST. Now we can go and have a look at the dashboard. So this is inside of the dashboard, and as you can see, it's a video training program. It starts with the intro, and then you've got your email, how you build your list, and there's various trainings here, overview and niche, email software, money pages and landing pages. Then you've got your earning and commissions, which is basically JVZoo, Warrior Plus and ClickBank, which will walk through these three platforms, which are where you can find products that you want to promote, which resonate with you. And then you've got traffic. You've got all of these are 100% free traffic methods, which you go through at your leisure. Traffic number one, the free buyer traffic, the quick paid traffic. So obviously traffic is the main thing for any affiliate marketer. Then you've got the second part of this, which goes through the bonuses as well, and upgrades, funds in your niches, unannounced bonuses, and your support email. So this is the dashboard of Money Magnets, and like I say, it's a new marketer who's just starting out, and it looks like a fantastic product. So like I say, if you like my videos, then please like, share, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next review. Thanks for watching.